This is what I would expect from companies, and I'm very impressed because probably what I heard from my friend was true. He told me that this is the best company he has ever worked with in terms of roofing, and I have the same experience. So definitely, I recommend Carolina Roofing Consultants to any other person. I heard about the company from one of my friends, and a friend of mine told that he was very happy with what he had seen from the service system. So I remain to see that for myself, and I am happy that I followed the same recommendation. So far I have been so super happy with what I have received. The service, the support, follow-ups, all. Jeremy has been punctual in everything, so has been very helpful. I can recommend the company, no doubt, immediately anyone is asking, because I have been very happy with the way I have been treated, especially when I have seen points I had questions or comments from Jeremy. He has been on top of it by himself. He has been adding to the work needed, any change, and he owned the work by himself. I do recommend Carolina Roofing Consultants. This is one exceptional services I have received from a contractor ever, period. This has been the same I was hearing from my friend, and I witnessed that again for myself.